DS diving service. It is May 30th. We're here at Tortuga. Got her cleaned up. Sink looks good. Paint looks great. Got the water line cleaned up. This side of the water line on the starboard doesn't get quite as foul because it's in the shade a lot longer. The sunnier side of your boat does. Let's take a look, and let's look at the other side of the water line when we finish. So, let's get a look at your ring here. Oh yeah, this ladder was in the water. We've got that cleaned up. It will be very hairy very shortly. Here's the water line over here. The growth was heavier here. It's hard to remove. We have removed it, but you see when we do this, how the glue from the paint wants to come off. So it's a fine line behind removing this and removing the paint. You'll see there's some areas where there's still a little bit of green. It's not laziness, it's us not wanting to remove your paint. So let's continue to look. Okay, thank you for choosing DS Diving Service.